So I'm making this video because I have not been able to find any CR-10 V2 replacement of the nozzle videos. So one thing you should know is back here there are some screws that you have to undo. There and here. Because you have to remove this entire thing off of here, and you have to take off those screws and these screws, and then you will. I'm just gonna set this right here. There's also these screws here in the back that you will take out so you can take this thing apart. So there's a bunch of screws, unlike other printers, and this is the only way I've been able to figure it out is by making it up. So you'll take that off. Of course, you'll pull out the Bowden tube here and off of the top there. Make sure you do both. And I'm doing this to clear filament that was stuck in there, and change out the nozzle to a 0.6. And so here's the hot end. It is very, very, very hot. And we will go ahead and put in the new nozzle in here. Ooh. This is very difficult to not get burnt.
When you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby, don't you see I'm shining? 'Cause when you're with me, baby,